The Poseidon, also known as the Oceanic Multipurpose System, is a nuclear-powered, nuclear-armed unmanned underwater vehicle, or UUV, developed by Russia. While not a traditional submarine, Poseidon is a strategic weapon system designed to deliver a massive nuclear payload to enemy coastal targets. Here's what we know about how Russia built the Poseidon. The Poseidon project began in the early 2010s, with the Russian Defense Ministry announcing its development in 2015. The system was designed by the Rubin Design Bureau, a Russian defense contractor specializing in submarine design, in collaboration with other Russian research institutions and industries. The Poseidon is a large, torpedo-shaped UUV, approximately 24 meters long and 1.6 meters in diameter. It has a mass of around 100 tons and is powered by a nuclear reactor, which provides the energy needed for its propulsion and onboard systems. The Poseidon is a large, torpedo-shaped UUV, approximately 24 meters long and 1.6 meters in diameter. It has a mass of around 100 tons and is powered by a nuclear reactor, which provides the energy needed for its propulsion and onboard systems. The Poseidon is designed to operate at depths of up to 1,000 meters and can travel at speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. Its nuclear reactor allows it to stay submerged for extended periods, making it a difficult target to detect and engage. The Poseidon is equipped with a massive nuclear warhead, reportedly with a yield of up to 100 megatons, which is roughly 6,500 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima during World War II. This warhead is designed to detonate near the coastline, causing massive destruction and radioactive contamination. The Poseidon is launched from a modified Oscar II class submarine, which has been converted to carry and deploy the unmanned underwater vehicle. The launch process involves the submarine surfacing, then launching the Poseidon through a vertical launch tube. Once launched, the Poseidon can operate autonomously, using its onboard navigation and control systems to guide it to its target. The Poseidon represents a significant escalation in Russia's nuclear deterrence capabilities, allowing it to threaten enemy coastal cities and infrastructure with a massive, unstoppable nuclear strike. The system's nuclear payload and autonomous operation make it a formidable strategic weapon, capable of inflicting catastrophic damage on enemy targets. The development and deployment of the Poseidon raise several concerns, including, firstly, nuclear proliferation. The Poseidon's massive nuclear warhead and autonomous operation raise concerns about nuclear proliferation and the potential for nuclear materials to fall into the wrong hands. Secondly, there's the risk of accidental launch. The Poseidon's autonomous operation and nuclear payload increase the risk of accidental launch or detonation, which could have catastrophic consequences. And third, maritime security is a major issue. The Poseidon's ability to operate undetected and launch a nuclear strike from beneath the waves raises concerns about maritime security and the potential for nuclear conflict. While the exact details of the Poseidon's design and operation remain classified, it's clear that Russia has developed a powerful and formidable strategic weapon system. The implications of this development are significant, and the international community will likely continue to monitor the Poseidon's development and deployment closely. Russia's Poseidon nuclear submarine drone is a groundbreaking underwater vehicle designed to deliver nuclear warheads. Developed by the Rubin Design Bureau, the Poseidon boasts advanced capabilities that make it a formidable strategic weapon. Its key features include the fact that the Poseidon is powered by a liquid metal reactor, providing it with virtually unlimited range and allowing it to travel across oceans without surfacing. The drone is designed to minimize its acoustic footprint, making it difficult to detect and intercept. It can operate at depths of up to 1,000 meters, which further complicates detection and interception efforts. The Poseidon can carry a nuclear warhead with a yield of up to 2 megatons, capable of inflicting catastrophic damage on coastal cities and naval forces. Khabarovsk-class submarines are specifically designed to carry the Poseidon drone, with each vessel capable of deploying 6 Poseidon drones. The Belgorod submarine, which is actually a modified Oscar-class submarine, can also carry up to 6 Poseidon drones. Russia has conducted successful tests of the Poseidon drone, including a launch from a submarine and activation of its onboard reactor. The first batch of Poseidon torpedoes was reportedly completed in 2023, with plans to deploy them on Russian submarines. The Poseidon drone is designed to serve as a strategic deterrent, providing Russia with a powerful tool to counter potential threats. The Poseidon's advanced capabilities could potentially give Russia an edge in naval warfare, allowing it to project power and threaten enemy naval forces. Overall, the Poseidon drone represents a significant advancement in underwater warfare technology, providing Russia with a powerful tool for strategic deterrence and naval superiority. The United States doesn't have a direct counterpart to Russia's Poseidon nuclear submarine drone, but it has other advanced underwater capabilities. Here's why Russia is considered ahead in this area. Poseidon's unique capabilities. Poseidon is a nuclear-powered, nuclear-armed underwater drone with unparalleled range and stealth capabilities. Its ability to dive to depths of 1,000 meters and travel at speeds of 100 km/h makes it nearly undetectable. Advanced nuclear propulsion. Poseidon's nuclear reactor provides it with virtually unlimited range, allowing it to traverse entire oceans without surfacing. This capability gives Russia a strategic advantage in underwater warfare. Strategic deterrence. Poseidon's nuclear payload and stealth capabilities make it an effective deterrent against potential adversaries. Its ability to target coastal cities and naval bases with devastating precision enhances Russia's nuclear deterrence capabilities. US response and alternatives. Existing underwater capabilities. The US has advanced conventional submarines and underwater drones, but they may not match Poseidon's nuclear capabilities. Research and development. The US is likely investing in research and development to enhance its underwater capabilities, including advanced propulsion systems and stealth technologies. Alternative strategies. The US might focus on developing countermeasures to detect and neutralize Poseidon-like threats, rather than directly competing with Russia's technology. Why Russia is ahead. Investment in research and development. Russia has invested heavily in developing advanced underwater technologies, including nuclear propulsion and stealth capabilities. Strategic focus. Russia's military strategy emphasizes the importance of underwater capabilities, particularly in the context of nuclear deterrence. Technological advancements. Russia's advancements in nuclear propulsion and materials science have enabled the development of sophisticated underwater systems like Poseidon.